Welcome back to my channel for those of you all returning. Really appreciate your support, the likes, the comments. If you're new to the channel, check out some of the past content and feel free to subscribe. Today's video is on what I call an offensive handgun. All right, an offensive handgun is one that I would consider if you know you're going after the bad guy. This is something that I would consider if I know I'm in, as we used to say in the Marine Corps, if you're going in harm's way. If I had to go to hell and arrest the devil and bring him back for trial, this would be my primary sidearm. Okay, it is the FNX-45 Tactical. Okay, the 45 Tactical, it is in a league of its own. It is highly respected, and we're gonna put it down on the tabletop and go over some of the features. Like I always say on my videos, this is my preference. You may have something else, but I'm going to articulate and explain to you why this is my preference. So let's go to the tabletop. Here we have the FNX-45 Tactical as it comes from the factory with an additional laser light assembly and rear mounted reticle. Okay, it comes with 3 15-round magazines that hold 45 ACP. I'm not going to get in the caliber debate with people, but 45 ACP holds its own. The reason why I call this an offensive firearm, because I think with this you can aggressively go after individuals, and you have 3 targeting systems. You have the factory sights, fixed sights, and they are raised suppressor height. So if you put a suppressor on the front, you can still use the sights. The Holosun is another sighting system, and I'll turn it around shortly and you'll be able to see you can co-witness the sights through the Holosun. And then here I have a laser green light assembly. Now in the past I've had people tell me, why would you put all these on a firearm? What else do you want to hang on it? They don't understand the concept of an offensive handgun. An offensive handgun is one that I would say if you are engaging multiple targets with your rifle goes down, goes dry, you take a round to the rifle and it becomes inoperable. You can take a weapon like this and continue to engage targets at longer distance efficiently. You can readily identify them in low light or no light. You have a laser system, whereas if you can't get a good sight picture, you laser them, you can still engage them, and various other methods. I would have no problem whatsoever if I was carrying, you know, a fine weapon like a LaRue or my Benelli M4 and it went down and I was aggressively pursuing target or multiple targets, going after them with something like this, because you can set each particular sighting system to different ranges, and it is durable. It has a high magazine capacity and a very effective round, 45 ACP. Now, those of you out there who know anyone that specialize in really nice kydex, I am looking for a custom kydex holster for this. So hit me up in the comments if you recommend someone with a those type of skills. The weapons light that I chose, I'm showing it here, and this is a high intensity light and green laser. Okay, and this is the Holosun with a green sighting system. Okay, personal preference. But now I guess what we can do is we will show you how I'm gonna line the sights up the best I can on camera here. Okay, and there you have it. Lights on. Laser's not picking up very well here. Let's see, let me back off. There's the green laser. But there you have it. Really nice setup. When the suppressor is in, we'll do a part 2. You'll always hear me say suppressor and not silencer. They don't make the weapons completely silent, they just suppress them, and they are obtained through proper channels. But I hope you enjoyed taking a look at this. This has been a project of mine, but like I say, I'm helping out that local entity that's looking for a new SWAT weapon, and this will definitely fit the bill.